Let's see what a week with the Physique run-on bag looks like. 2 fully stocked first aid bags with airways, dressing and tape made their way with the England College's football team to Italy this year. Before we head to the airport, we made sure that we restocked and packed the bags to make sure that we have absolutely everything we need from Physique ready to go before we leave. Both bags will travel with the squads via the airport. When we arrive, it's important that we are familiar with everything we need to make sure that we have everything before the game day starts. That includes a quick check to make sure that the bag is packed to each therapist's preference. What I really like about this particular Physique bag that you can see is there's loads of storage in the side pockets. There's even enough space for me to include my airways as in a separate bag and still store it in a separate side compartment. You can see that I've got 3 of these side compartments to use. After physical preparation prep, we'll play the game. You can see that our bag travels absolutely everywhere with us, and this is me heading onto the coach with it, and you can see I've even got enough space to include my own banana and a bottle of water for the day. These bags will travel absolutely everywhere with the squads to ensure that they're safe. All games happened on various pitches, which caused a little bit of trouble for us to manage open wounds, grazes, etc., with various 3 and 4G pitches used. You can see here I'm currently dressing one of our athletes, using the Physique equipment and making sure that we keep these wounds nice and sterile and wrapped up so they don't reopen in days 3 and 4. You can see that the arbiters or the referees called us on fairly promptly, which was really pleasing, and you can see that I'm running on there to a head injury of one of our players. It's then back to the finals day. The boys made the finals this year, which was a real privilege to be involved in. You can see that we strap, tape and dress as close to the warm-up as we can to ensure that the dressings hold really nicely and the tape is firm. It's then quick out onto the pitch to prep for the physical preparation, and then the boys will come out and start their game. We did play with some outstanding views this tour. It was a real privilege to have Physique backing us this year. It meant I wanted for nothing, and it meant that I can look after my athletes to the highest standard. We travelled over 4,000 miles in 5 days, played 4 games, and we finished second. That's a wrap for 2022, and we really look forward to the next tour.